If you want to host a non-boring workshop, meeting, or virtual experience, you need the foundation, which is engagement and deep connections of your participants. And I have realized that there's a lot of people who don't know how to get those two things, or you know how to do it, but you're running out of ideas for activities. And that's why I'm super excited to introduce the brand Fire Starters Sessions. This is an event that I'll be hosting every other month to help you get some new ideas for different activities, connection activities that increase engagement and deepen connections for the participants. And the concept is actually pretty simple. When you sign up, you get a chance to submit an event brief or an activity brief, basically describing what are you facilitating, how large is the group, how much time do you have, how well do they know each other, and based on that, on step 2, I will check my brand new connection activity database, which by the way looks like this. It's this interactive Notion database that you can search and filter and sort based on some of the suggestions that you will submit in your brief. And then we will pick the perfect activity for your parameters and play it out in the session. For this, I'm going to invite you to take off your facilitator hats and fully immerse yourself as a participant. So you get all the learning, all the insights the same way a participant would have. But then at the end, we will put our facilitator hats back on for a debrief with other skilled people like you to figure out, okay, what are some variations that we could use for this activity if we don't have the same tools available? What are some important things we should mention when we frame the activity? And most importantly, how can we debrief the activity based on different themes so it's most valuable to you? So by the end of the workshop, you walk away with at least 3 new activities that you can then go and implement. And you're also getting, aside from attending the live workshop, you're going to get a recording so you can watch this back. And if you missed something because you've been participating as a participant, you didn't necessarily take notes, you can watch the recording back. I'm also going to give you a bonus, which is my Ice Melters activity guide with my top 9 ice melter activities with step-by-step instructions that you can start using. And you get access to this as soon as you sign up. And lastly, you also are part of the Deep Connectors community, which is where you can connect with other epic facilitators, trainers, community builders, educators that all are valuing human connection, which is so important as we're doing this thing virtually. Now, there's one last thing I want to mention, because if you're watching this, maybe you're already a subscriber of my connection activity database, which in this case, you get a free ticket to these events. They're actually included in the subscription. So if you haven't seen my post on there yet or seen my email with a code that you can use, check that out. If you don't know what the connection activities database is yet, check it out, jankeck.com/CAD. And if you subscribe before you get a ticket to this event, you will get a comp ticket as well. So hopefully I see you at the Firestarter session. The first one is happening this month, but they're going to be happening every other month. And if you have any questions, there's some more details on this page below. Bye.